Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some pieces to show you by Jeulia Jewelry. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just arrived. Jeulia Jewelry did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing pieces to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, they actually got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you 2 different products from their Christmas collection. And I was like, whoa, wait, not just 1, but 2. So when I went to the collection just so I can choose which I would like to show you guys, I thought it'd be really cool to pick 2 things that was kind of like from the same theme. And the list that they sent me, there was like a lot of stuff that wasn't Christmas based, but I thought since it's a great time of year, it was a Christmas theme to choose something that was actually Christmas based. So that's a little sneak peek. It's going to be a Christmas theme, and I'm really excited because I've never ever shown anything like this before, and I'm actually super excited. So all of their stuff comes down in this box just like this, depending on if it's 1 item or 2. There is 2 items in here. That's why the box is a little bit bigger, but they do put it in a mailer bag when it is shipped. And they have everything down inside that you would need to gift it to somebody else if it is a gift. One thing though, they did actually generate my own code, which is SheCrafty 15, and that will get you 15% off their site. I've used it myself to buy several items from their shop, other than the stuff that they actually send me. And oh my gosh, I'm super excited about this. I have always tell you guys, like, you know, oh, I get this and I get that. And then in my description box, I try to list them all, but you're only allowed so many characters in your description box. So sometimes some of them I can't list everything because I have other little, you know, little disclosures and stuff that has to be in there as well. But what they have done is they generated my own page, you guys. So down below in the description box will be a link to show you all of the pieces that I have got throughout all of the years of getting their amazing jewelry. So it's a one-stop shopping basically for everything that I have chose or received. And I think that's amazing. So you can click that link and you can see everything that I actually own and love and wear. Or you can see anything that they have on their website. And again, SheCrafty 15 will save you 15% off. But I was so excited when they're like, hey, we want to make you your own link that has all of your products in one page. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. So they did do that. So that will be in the description box as well. So everything will be down below for you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I'm going to show you what I chose for this Christmas themed video collab. So again, it comes down in this box right here. When you do open it up, there's always their bag right on top. So if it is for another and you're gifting it, all you have to do is take this little bag out, you open it up. There's actually something in here, so if it's not for a gift, make sure you remove, because down inside of here is going to be a greeting card so you can write your card to the recipient. And there's actually a cleaning cloth. So down inside of here will be the cleaning cloth. They've come in several different colors, but they're all the same. They're a cleaning cloth so you can clean your jewelry. So if this is for a gift for somebody else, you can fill out the card, stick the jewelry down in here, pull your little strings, and then you have it already gift ready. If it's not for a gift, then you don't care about the bag, pull out your cleaning cloth so you can actually clean your jewelry. And then what's left inside of the box is going to be the actual items. Again, there's 2 different ones this time. That's why I have a bigger box. And then this card does say stop if you get anything that's size. So if you get a ring and you choose a size, there will be a little tag on it. Make sure it fits before you remove that tag. And that's what this is saying. Stop, drop and roll. Not really, just stop. Pay attention, make sure that it fits first before you remove it, because once you remove it, you void your warranty. You cannot return it or anything like that. So make sure it fits, and then you can go ahead and cut that little tag off. So that's what that says right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab both of these boxes out. Again, I'm super excited to show you this. I've never had anything like this, so I'm so excited. Okay. So let me show you both of them at the same time, and then I'll just show you them individually for more information about them. But look at you guys. Do you see what that is? That is the Grinch. Now, again, they have so many different amazing pieces, especially for the Christmas theme, but the Grinch is definitely screaming Christmas. So since this was super, super cute and there were so many different things with this, was the necklace, the bracelet, the earrings, and the ring, I thought, you know what? I'm going to grab 2 pieces from this collection because I think that's super, super fun, especially for this time of year. This is going to be my winter ensemble. So let me go ahead and show you the necklace first. So it has like this little dangle bow that is super, super cute. And with this one, you can choose if you want the face to be all clear, like looking like a real diamond as far as the face, or the green. And I chose the green because that is the Grinch. He's green. But you do have 2 different color options. And then here is the actual ring. And then this is the little tag that I was telling you. Don't remove that unless you know that it fits. But this was kindly sent to me for review. So no matter if it's wrong or not, I mean, that to me, that's my bad. So I always cut it anyways, but I have this down to a science. I actually purchased off of Amazon a ring sizer. So I use that to size my rings when I need to figure this out. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And one thing I do want to point out, this does have like some weight to it. It feels super, super high quality. Some of them don't feel this heavy to me, but I think maybe because of all of this, look at the whole entire band has all of those stones all across it and the whole front of it. So this is all 100% all around completely done. So underneath, you'll have all of them under here through to the top. And then let me remove this and I can put the necklace on. And I think that's so cute how the bow just dangles, a little dangle dangle. This one does have an adjustable length at the top. Aw, it even has a little heart at the very end. Look at how cute. That is just super, super cute. This is definitely a lot tighter than I'm used to. I'm used to them. I'm just used to them longer, but it does fit perfectly on me. Look at how cute, you guys. And they match. That is just so, so cute. So there are the 2 different pieces. Again, they wanted me to choose 2 of them from the Christmas collection. And I just thought that was super neat to show you something completely different and 2 things that match the same collection, you know? That is so cute. Is You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch. That is just adorable. I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is just beautiful. It's just breathtaking. Like all of their jewelry it's just stunning. Like I can't say it enough. I absolutely love their jewelry. It's like the only thing that I wear. I never take them off. I never have any issues with them. So literally, this is the only company that I am backing because I wear them every single day for years. For years, I've been wearing their jewelry. So I definitely stand by this company and this company only because I'm proof that I wear them every day and there's nothing wrong. They're just absolutely stunning. They're just completely stunning, you guys. So I will have them all linked down below if you would like to go check out their Christmas collection or anything that they have to offer. And one thing, I know Christmas is coming super, super fast, and you might not be able to order something and get it sent to you to be delivered on time. But one thing that I do is if I'm going to purchase something for someone and it's not going to be here in time, like for example, if there was a ring or a necklace or anything from their site that you wanted to give somebody for a gift, but what you can do is you can print out like the page, like choose one of the photos and print out one of the photos so it doesn't have like the pricing and all of that. And then you can put it like in an envelope or you can put it in a box and wrap it up and show them, hey, this is what I ordered, but it's not here yet. I don't even know how many times I have done that to friends, family, my man, even my man. I think last year or the year before, there was something that just wasn't going to be here in time. So I literally printed the photo, wrapped it up and said, here you go. This is what you're going to get once it comes in. So that is an idea. If you ever want to grab something for somebody and it's not going to be there in time, print a photo of it and hand them that and give them that for Christmas, and then they'll know what they're getting. So that's an idea. So if you want to check out anything that they have to offer for yourself or for gift ideas, they will be linked down below, and SheCrafty 15 will save you that 15% off. If you like a little bit more information about Jeulia Jewelry, I will let you know right about now. Again, this is the only company that I stand behind because I wear their jewelry every single day. Nope, even the earrings. I never even take these out. I shower with them. I do everything with them. I sleep in them. I never take them off. And they're perfectly fine, beautiful, and just stunning. So for their jewelry, if you wanted to purchase a ring, and I always tell you guys, like, at first I wasn't choosing rings because I thought there was no way that they would fit my chunky dunky little Vienna sausage fingers. I have really fat fingers, but they actually go from ring sizes from a 3 all the way to 15 and every half size in between. So I'm like, okay, I know it's not a 15. So I have been like just loving their rings because I know I can custom make it to fit my fingers. And again, if you do order it, don't remove that tag unless you know it fits. So if you do have any issues, you can exchange it with no problems. So there's that. So the Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to the natural gemstone because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. And on their website, they have a chart, and I like to tell you guys this. It has Jeulia stone versus a mined diamond. Looks like a diamond, check, check for both. Durable, check, check for both. For hardness is a 9 for Jeulia and a 10 for a mined diamond. Density is 5.7 for a Jeulia stone and 3.52 for a mined diamond. 100% ethically sourced is only for a Jeulia stone. Potential harmful mining is only for a mined diamond, and you will save a whole lot of money going with Jeulia stone and their proprietary stone. They just put so much hard work into everything that they make, and it just shows in everything that they have. They shine bright and just brilliantly, just shining all the time. I don't even clean mine, and they just look absolutely gorgeous every single day. So again, this is the only company that I will back because of that, and I just absolutely love this company. So measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, and again, I don't really clean mine, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. They offer 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99, a 1-year warranty. All of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. You have flexible financing and secure shopping. So everything again will be linked down below. You can definitely go check them out for yourself or for a gift idea. Even if you get some gift cards for Christmas and you want to get yourself, spoil yourself some jewelry, definitely keep them in mind and remember my code to save even more money off of their low prices. But I'm just so thankful that they not wanted me just to try one, but 2 different things so I can show you 2 different products from this line of the Grinch. And I think that's just absolutely amazing. So comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the items that I chose? Are you surprised that I chose something by the Grinch? Let me know. All of your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew,